Okay, so obviously I work around the house a lot and do a lot of different building projects. And one of the issues that I constantly am having is that I load up a handful of screws in my left hand and try to pull one out at a time, and will end up dropping screws. And the other pain in the butt is that it limits you to just being able to use one hand. So a family member bought me this MagNoGrip. It is a wristband that just velcros around your wrist, and it has magnets in it. And I'm just going to test it out here for you on video, show you kind of the strength of this thing. You can put a handful of screws, nails, there's a nut going on there now, bolts, washers, whatever you have. And it allows you to utilize both of your hands when working on your project. So overall, I was pretty happy with the strength of the magnet on this. Very easy to take off your wrist and put back on. Again, shaking it here even, and most of it stays on pretty good. So MagNoGrip, overall not bad. I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy one for yourself.